But in a big global development, the US House of Representatives has passed the Biosecure bill that targets China Biotech. So the move is positive for some of the Indian pharma players. Ekta joins in for more.
Well, yes, thanks for that. Well, the Biosecure Act, I'll start by telling you what exactly it is. The news is that the US House of Representatives have passed the Biosecure Act. The bill will now go to the US Senate for a vote. Now, what exactly is the Biosecure Act? It aims to reduce dependence on biotech companies from China over the next 8 years. So the Biosecure Act has named 5 Chinese companies specifically, which is BGI, Genomics, Wuxi, Aptech, etc. Now, pharma companies, as a result of the Biosecure Act, have been exploring ways to diversify their supplier base in order to basically mitigate the risk over the next 8 years. Now, stocks in focus back home would be the likes of Laurus, Piramal, Newland, Syngene, Divi's, as well as Suven, because all of them have CDMO operations and would be vying for this kind of incremental China plus one or diversification of the base that could happen. But it's a long-term opportunity. So, for example, we have seen that over the past couple of quarters, companies have made comments. For example, Laurus has said that there is a shift to unfold over the longer term. Companies will begin by handing over smaller projects. Piramal Pharma has said there's an increase in exploratory discussions. Customers are, however, continuing to assess their choices. Newland yet to see substantial impact in terms of active requests for proposal. But remember that Newland is an API company, which is different with a biological focus. So it might not incrementally benefit immediately. Syngene is probably one of the bigger companies which is seeing a shift right away. So they have said there's a material shift in big pharma sourcing strategies. They are participating in pilot projects, and they've seen a 50% year-on-year increase in the request for proposals in terms of value in Q1 itself. Now, the challenges for Indian pharma companies is that, Indian companies lag in experience, trust, technology, capacity when you compare them to, say, the South Korean companies or even US and European companies, which are, probably looking at the opportunity. And there is competition coming in from other companies as well, which we have to now focus on.
All right, Ekta, thank you very much for that. So keep an eye out on some of these names as we open up.